Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an unboxing. We are unboxing these Sacred Spins Titanium Ethos. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited. We're all excited. Let's get going. Let us open this thing. Ooh-cha. Ooh-cha. And then the final. Get over here. Okay. Let's open this thing. Whoa. Wow, what a package. Talk about cool. Sleeves. My house is always so cold. I like the cold. I like to be warm in the cold, so I'm always wearing a jacket, but my sleeves always get in the way. It's a dilemma. Alright, let us open this thing. So, Ethos Titanium. Number 4. Darn, it's not number 1. Still, number 4 is pretty good. Stonewash, green, and teal anodization. So, you guys ready to see how it came out? I'm ready to see it in person. Let's get the sticker first. Whoa. Wow. I could look at this for a while. Alright, no I couldn't. Get out. So we got this, and then we got the extra bearing. Just really quick, I have to put this away. And bloop. Bloop. There you go. New home. Okay. Get that out of the way. Move these guys. What a nice pouch. What the what the heck? My hand does not want to. Whoa. So, as you guys probably know, it is hard to anodize at this green. Ah! Wow. It turned out so pretty. So yeah, green is like the last color, one of the last colors. So to push green, it's tough. And he did a damn good job. So yeah, one button is green. And it was hard to get the center, but it looks good. And then the other one is blue. But I'm amazed at, wow, this green is like gorgeous. isn't it? Okay, I gotta... It looks like a flower. Looks like a flower when it spins. Whoa. And what a spin. Look at those warps. And then the flower. Like a lotus. Green around the blue is really pretty too. So pretty. I love this color green. It's like a... It's a very interesting color green. How many of you guys actually spin and just let it spin? Like you spin like this and just let it go to completion. And that's your way to fidget, as opposed to doing this. Flicking and just flicks. How many of you guys do one or the other? Which one is which? Let's see. I want to see in the comments. Let me know which one you are. I want to have a conversation on that. I personally like to have it go for a while and then catch it and then flick it again. So spin for a while like that, catch, flick again. Spin for a while, catch, do some little flicks, and then spin for a while. That's my method. So let me know what you like to do with spinners. Let's see. Almost 43 grams. God, it's so pretty. It really is. Be great if this purple spot was not there, but what can you do? I asked for like the hardest thing to anodize, and I got fantastic results. Man, it is just so so beautiful. Is it not? Is it not gorgeous? Purple spot's like a little eye. It's so beautiful. I just love it so much. So pretty. So it is 40.5 millimeters tall. Not that you can stand it up, but then the thickness is about 15. 14.9. 15. 14.9. The only other kind of like greenish teal thing that I have is this spinner that I got from AliExpress. It likes to fly. That one's pretty, but this is a work of art. This is man. I don't know how the buttons are I don't know anything about the buttons other than they're on there. Whoa. That's pretty. Whoa. That's pretty too. I never know if this little piece is, I forget what it's called, is supposed to be like fully tightened or not. Whatever, let's look at the inside. Looks like it's a press fit bearing. Do you guys know like a good good place to get the a place to remove these, or not a place, a thing to remove the press fit bearings? Because I don't have anything. A bearing removal tool, that's what it's called. Yeah. Do you guys know where to get one that's not gonna like make me go broke? And it's also easy to use. It doesn't require the strength of 4 men. If you do, let me know, because that would be great. So pretty. All right. I think this is pretty much it. I have shown off this Ethos. I love it so much. Man. It's just so good. Off camera, I looked away for a second and then my hand went, ooh. Thank you, Jared, for making this beautiful Ethos. And these this gorgeous anodization. Gorgeous. I'm gonna have to get another one in the future. Maybe pink. Yeah. Yeah. Pink. Or something. Or maybe this color blue. Just to make things difficult again. Alright. I think this is all I have to say. At this point, I'm just rambling about how much I like this thing. What's your opinion? How did this turn out? What do you think? Do you like this color green? Do you have an Ethos? And if you do, did you anodize it? And what color is yours? Let's talk about it in the comments. Alright guys, this is truly the end. So, I hope that you have a fantastic day and or night. Fantastic day or night. Fantastic time. And I hope you like this video. Please like the video if you like the video. And please subscribe. It really helps. Yeah. So that is everything. I will see you in the next video. Alright guys. Have a great time. And see you in the next one. Bye guys. Later.